I wonder if I throw it up and catch it, will it break apart? This cookie is firm. I just threw it up. I wonder, can this hide my face? This cookie is so big. It is in my hand. I just hit my hand so hard on this table. That hurt. So welcome back to my channel, and I am going to do a Crumbl cookie review, okay? I've been hearing so much hooping and hollering. That sounds like an old person, don't it? Let's go ahead and get into this, all right? So the first cookie is the caramel shortbread. Ooh, let me clear my palette out. Okay, should I just go ahead and dive into it, or should I feel like if I break it apart I can get all of the ingredients apart. Ooh, ooh, y'all, oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. Does anybody else ears tingle when something's good?
Who said that?
My ears always like tingle when something's good. Okay, this is very rich. Like, it's like a shortbread layer right here. Is it zooming in? Of caramel shortbread chunks on top too. It's pretty good. I don't know if y'all ever had a 100-gram bar. It's giving 100-gram bar teases. That's really good though.
Delicious.
They took their time making that cookie. I'm in very deep thought because that's really good. Look how big these cookies are. I got some big hands too. These cookies will knock somebody out.
Get out of my face!
Okay, this is a ginger snap. This thing kind of firm. I don't know if I'm gonna like this one. Okay, let me get into this. Does anyone else smell their food before they eat it? Okay. I'm not mad at it. It's really good. But honestly, I like the other smaller ginger snaps, but that's good because it's like chewy inside. Semi-sweet chocolate chunk. Okay, let me tell you about this Zoom today. This Zoom ain't playing no games. This cookie is so big. I wonder, can this hide my face? This cookie is so big. What in the world? Look how it is in my hand. I wonder if I throw it up and catch it, will it break apart? This cookie is firm. I just threw it up. What in the world? Okay. Anyways, I know I shouldn't play with my food, but I did wash my hands. Let me break it apart so you guys can see it. Out of all these chocolate chips, I don't even taste no chocolate. The chocolate's not rich. I know good quality chocolate when I taste it. Wait a minute, hold on. Maybe got some flavors coming through now. Okay. I lied. Okay. I like when my flavors hit me when it first get on my tongue, but it's coming through at the end. Okay, so that's going to be in second place for right now. So, all right, y'all. So the first cookie, the one that's coming in first place, is a caramel shortbread cookie, okay? Actually, let me taste another piece of this while we at it. While I'm holding it in my hand. That's a good cookie. It's a lot though. Okay, so the caramel shortbread is first. And then I gotta give it up to semi-sweet Miss Chocolate Chunk Honey. So that's gonna be second. The ginger snap is coming in third right now. All right. So let's go ahead and get this done. Oh, peppermint cupcake is the next flavor. So this is the peppermint cupcake, okay? Hopefully it don't fall apart. Ooh. How long is peppermint? It's a lot of flavors going on. It tastes like Christmas in a cookie. This is Christmas in a cookie. Honey, Christmas came early. This is Christmas in a cookie. It got peppermints in here too. It's literally chunks of peppermints in here. Okay, it's giving what it said, peppermint cupcake. Let me wash my mouth out. You know what? It's giving what it said. It's not that bad. Would I order it again? No, because this is not my type of cookie. But it literally tastes like a peppermint cupcake cookie. You like cream cheese and chocolate? Definitely get this cookie. Okay, so let's rate this, okay? So, in first place, I want to make sure I'm saying the name right, is the caramel shortbread cookie, all right? Which is the first one that I showed y'all. The second one, this is hard. This is between the chocolate chip or the peppermint cupcake. I'm gonna give it to the peppermint cupcake because it's like Christmas time. It's very festive. Chocolate chip cookie would definitely be third. And the ginger snap is the last one. Yeah, that's what I would rate it as, okay? So hopefully this helped you guys out a little during the holiday season if you all want to, or this week for Crumbl cookie videos. I'm about to bring you all to my lash appointment. It's been 3 weeks since I got my lashes done. I don't know if some of y'all like looking at lash videos, but I think that'll be cool. So come on, y'all.
Good day in my mind, seem to take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mindset. I should've kept from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, yeah, baby, you don't care. Sometimes trying to be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Trying to make some little change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go of Wayne, think he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will pick up in front of me. All the while, I wave my arm, feel it smile. Still wanna try, still believe in good days. Always inside, to the depth of my mind. Help me on my fears, my limitations. I disappeared if you let me. Feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe when he lost his shit. Gotta hold my own, my cross to bear alone. Ooh, way to dip, way to kill the food. No, you like that shit, ooh, baby, baby. Heavy on my empty mindset. I can't keep from losing the rest of me. Still worried that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you babe, you don't care. Sometimes trying to be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Trying to make some little change, got me a war in my mind. make me step out. Get some air now, let your air out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so, baby, baby, baby. Driving on my empty mind, shit. I should've kept from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, yeah, baby, you don't care. Sometimes wanna be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Tryna make sense of little change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go of Wayne, think he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will pick up in front of me. All the while, I'll wave my arm, will feel it and smile. Still wanna try, still believe in good days. Always in.
You try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. Try to come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop.